Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I'd like to introduce how to make 切り干し大根. 切り干し大根 is a dried daikon strips. It's very easy to make. And that's why it is one of the standard items for Japanese breakfast and bento. Actually, I have eaten everything I have cooked. I just couldn't stop because it was too tasty. And this kiriboshi daikon provides more nutrients than fresh daikon radish because the sun-drying process concentrates the umami flavor and nutrients. What I like is it has high in fiber. So I hope you to try this recipe. So as always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as my helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so 切り干し大根 is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます. I like this smell. So much flavor in it. So I can taste the natural sweetness from daikon strips and carrots. And what I like the most is the texture of the daikon strips. I hope you to try this texture. And please tell me how you liked it. ごちそうさまでした. So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: so after rehydrating the daikon strips, please squeeze very hard. So this way the flavor goes in well. And tip: sometimes the dry daikon strips is long, so in this case, please cut into bite-sized pieces. And tip: other ingredients such as shiitake mushrooms, chikuwa, fish cake, and konnyaku is good to add volume. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was kiriboshi daikon recipe? I'm so happy to introduce one of my favorite Japanese side dish. If you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming! I introduce easy, simple, and nutritious Japanese recipes, including baby meals, toddler food, and pregnancy meals, and sometimes desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe! If you want to know more about Japanese food and culture and cooking tips, please join my mailing list. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. When you access the website, the pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. That's it. And I send a newsletter 1 or 2 times a month. So please feel free to join. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Okay everyone, that's all for today. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!